Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove or hide apps you've already uninstalled so they don't show up in your App Store history. This is helpful if you've downloaded a lot of apps in the past and want to clean things up or just don't want certain apps showing in your list. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then go into Purchased and tap on My Purchases. This brings up a full list of every app you've ever downloaded, even the ones you no longer have installed on your device. Now, to remove an app from this list, simply swipe left on the app you want to hide. A red hide button will appear. Tap that, and the app disappears from your purchase history view. It's important to know that the app is still linked to your Apple ID, so you can always re-download it later if you want. This doesn't permanently delete it from your account, but it will keep your purchase history clean and organized. Super easy and only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.